Seriously, for years, the under 250-gram drone category was defined by compromise. Great to carry, decent footage, but always lacking the true professional punch. You were forced to choose power or portability. Well, DJI just ripped up that rulebook. The leaks, the official regulatory filings, the persistent whispers from the assembly lines, they all point to one singular truth. The DJI Neo 2 is the drone that absolutely kills compromise. It's the device that somehow packs pro power into a pocket-sized package, all while staying safely under that critical weight limit. This is the ultimate travel companion, the definitive adventure vlogging tool, and the portable cinema camera you never dared to believe was possible. For the next 30 minutes, we are dissecting every single leaked specification. We're going to find out if the Neo 2 is the game-changer DJI claims it is, or if they've simply made an expensive, slightly better version of what we already own. Prepare to see the future of effortless aerial cinematography. The featherweight lie, pro power under 250 grams. Let's start with the feature that changes everything, the weight. It's rumored to clock in at around 151 grams. That's lighter than a standard can of soda. But here is the genuine innovation. The image power they've managed to compress into that tiny airframe. This isn't the tiny, noisy sensor of older microdrones. Leaks confirm a major industry-shifting upgrade, a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, potentially even featuring the same 4K per 60 frames per second video capability previously reserved for the much larger, much heavier Mini Pro line. Think about what that means for your footage. Sharper details, vastly improved low-light performance, and cinematic slow-motion possibilities. All in a drone that flies with minimal, simplified FAA regulation in the US. DJI isn't just selling a drone. They are selling regulatory freedom combined with professional image quality. They are finally giving the creator who travels light the uncompromising tool they truly deserve. This synergy of weight and imaging power is the first piece of evidence that the Neo 2 is a genuine threat to every drone in its class. The hidden intelligence, LiDAR and omni-sensing. For new pilots, the single biggest fear is the crash. For experienced pilots, it's managing complex, close-quarters shots. The Neo 2 is rumored to solve both problems with a massive, top-tier safety upgrade. The biggest technological leak on the Neo 2 is the integration of front-facing LiDAR, light detection and ranging, and full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This is the safety system from DJI's flagship professional drones, now expertly trickled down to the micro class. LiDAR helps the drone sense its environment in low light and calculate distances with pinpoint accuracy, which is absolutely crucial for flawless auto-tracking and any tight indoor flight. This isn't just the basic front-facing sensing of the past. It's 360-degree coverage. It means the drone can essentially see in every direction, turning even the most nervous beginner into a confident, dynamic flyer. You can fly through a dense forest or a cluttered park, and the Neo 2 will intelligently and safely weave its way through, prioritizing the safety of your shot and your investment. This sophisticated safety net is the quiet revolution that instantly legitimizes the Neo 2 as a serious, professional tool, not just a casual toy. The endurance edge, battery life,